Today we're going to walk through the 2022 Maverick hood strut install. This is an MRT design manufactured product. It allows you to raise the hood with one hand and for it to stay in the open position, eliminating the need for the prop rod. It does raise the hood slightly higher than the hood did with the prop rod. The install is fairly straightforward. There are no modifications necessary to be made to your car. We're going to install a bracket on the fender on each side. On the passenger side, you're going to get a replacement bolt. It's going to use an existing nut on the bottom side here, and we're going to give you a couple washers to space down your washer bottle only slightly. This is the only fastener for the fender. We are catching the bottom of this bolt for an anti-rotation tab. Then the second bracket is going to be at the hood hinge, so we're reusing the two nuts that hold the hood to the bracket. The orientation of the ball stud is facing towards the engine, and we will relocate. This is your washer hose. From the factory, it comes attaching in this hole from this direction. We're just going to simply move it around to the back side of the bracket, and that allows us clearance so that we don't pinch this during operation. The driver's side is going to install much the same way, same orientation. This side you get a nut and a bolt in the kit to go through this hole that is already there, and it retains the anti-rotation off of the factory bolt that's already there. You don't loosen these bolts, this just slides over. And the bracket is identical on the driver's side as we saw on the passenger side. It reuses the two factory nuts, the orientation with the ball stud facing towards the engine. When installing the gas cylinders, the big side of the gas cylinder is to be facing up towards the top, like shown here, with the hood open. Okay, so this is the correct orientation. It's that simple. Operating the hood, just as simple as you would imagine. Give it a little bit of effort. Don't bounce on it. If it doesn't close all the way, there's a double latch system in this hood. Don't push down on the hood. This is aluminum, fairly thin. You don't want to be putting any force that would cause a dent. To open it, nothing has changed. You have to pull the hood release 2 times. That unlatches the hood, and up she goes. Enjoy.